Are you tired of being on the internet? Tired of your personal information floating around for strangers, scammers, and companies to see? Here's how to wipe yourself from the web, step by step. First, audit yourself. Search your name on Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. Check images, videos, and even your old usernames and email addresses. Use a site like Have You Been PW'd to see if your info has been in a data breach. Second, delete your accounts. Go through Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, LinkedIn, and anything else you've signed up for. Don't just deactivate, permanently delete them. You can use justdelete.me to find direct deletion links. Third, remove personal data from websites. Delete old posts, comments, and reviews. If you can't, contact the site owner or use Google's Remove Outdated Content tool to clear it from search results. Fourth, opt out of data broker sites. These are companies that sell your personal information. Big ones include Spokeo, White Pages, My Life, Been Verified, and People Finder. You can remove yourself manually or pay for a service like Delete Me or Incogni to do it for you. Fifth, request removals from search engines. Google and Bing both have forms where you can request that sensitive information be removed from search results. Sixth, go to the source. If a website won't remove something, find out who hosts it through a WHOIS lookup and ask for removal, especially if it violates your privacy or copyright. Seventh, delete old email accounts you no longer use. Back up anything important first, then close them. Eighth, check public records. Some property, court, and voter information can be removed or redacted, depending on where you live. Ninth, clean up cached and archived pages. After deleting content, request removal from Google's cache and from the Wayback Machine at archive.org. Finally, protect your privacy going forward. Use aliases instead of your real name, create burner emails, and switch to privacy-focused services like ProtonMail, Signal, and DuckDuckGo. And most importantly, think twice before posting anything online. You might not be able to vanish completely, but following these steps will make you a lot harder to find. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more digital truth bombs, drop a comment. See you in the next video.